Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device and launcher. This matters because steps differ between Android and iOS. Once done, backup settings, that protects you if something breaks. Now open settings and go straight to apps or notifications, don't wander. For Android, tap the Launcher app or Problematic app. For iOS, focus on widgets and configuration profiles. Make sure to keep Wi-Fi on. Some changes require an internet check. This gets you into the exact place to stop home screen ads. Next, you act on permissions, revoke notification, pop-up, and overlay rights for any app pushing promos. Once revoked, clear app defaults. This prevents apps from hijacking the home screen. If an app is built into the system, disable updates or uninstall updates to roll back aggressive ad code. Consider switching to a reputable launcher. This restores control over widgets and home shortcuts. Make sure to reboot after major permission changes, so the system applies rules consistently and reduces residual ad behavior. To finish, inspect the home screen and interact with apps to ensure ads are gone, reboot and check again. If you still see ads, reset launcher preferences or reassign a trusted launcher. This often clears lingering shortcuts. If an app reappears, boot into safe mode to isolate it, then uninstall the offender. As a last resort, factory reset after backing up data. That removes deeply embedded adware. If problems continue, contact the device maker. Keep evidence of the offending app for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.